Welcome to Brennan Enterprises, your source for everything replacement windows and doors. In this video, we'll be covering the Brennan Traditions casement window. And in this video, we'll be covering style, hardware, material, and color. So we'll jump right in, start with style. This is a casement window. This is the exterior profile of the window. We'll flip it around, show you the interior profile. So with style, we'll also kind of jump into hardware. The hardware on these windows is a lever lock on the side of the window that you raise to unlock the window. And then you have a nesting folding handle, crank handle. So this is the crank handle in the nesting folded position. If you want to open the window, you unfold it, and there you go. So we'll go ahead and crank it open. So there's the window in the fully opened or fully ventilated position. It allows full ventilation of the window as opposed to a single hung or a double hung window where you can only open maybe half of the window to allow for ventilation. One of the downsides though, or potential drawbacks to casement windows on your project could be size. There are certain size limitations. With this manufacturer, 3 feet wide by 6 feet tall is the maximum size they'll make one of these windows. So we'll go ahead and close it. And so opening and closing is a very easy, very smooth operation. So there's the window closed. We'll return the crank handle to the nested position, and we'll just lock the window. So this moves hardware in the window frame. It's got a multi-point lock and it kind of pulls the window in tight, allows it to make a nice tight seal. So next we'll be covering material. The window is made of a PVC composite material. So vinyl or PVC composite vinyl is a good material because it's affordable, it's durable, it doesn't rot and bugs don't eat it, so that makes it a great exterior building product. Lastly, we'll cover color on the Brennan Traditions casement. The windows come in a standard white or almond interior and exterior color. They will do a custom exterior color if you would like. So if you want like a black exterior and a white interior, that is an option on these windows. And the hardware will be color matched to the interior color of your window. And so that about covers it. Again, this is a Brennan Traditions casement window. If you'd like any more information on the window, you can find the product on our website. Quick links are in the description. Thank you for watching.